We rode all the way to the edge of Europe. 16 days, 16 nights in a tent. Chasing freedom beyond the Arctic Circle. But this wasn't just another motorcycle trip. We hiked, we climbed, we explored. Searching not only for places, but for moments. This is one of the greatest rides an adventure biker can take. And as always, no journey ever turns out the way you planned. So come with us on this incredible journey and be part of it. First day, we are in Sweden. It's raining and it's 12 degrees.
That's it.
That's it. First day, Sweden. We heading to north. We try to catch up the Polish group with the Gypsy Caravan.
Oh, I like this style. Gypsy Caravan.
So Vlad and I managed to ride 700 kilometers on the first day. It rained all day, so we set up our tents in the forest. Jó öreg Lars Monsen mac and cheese. We wrapped up the day with possibly the worst mac and cheese ever and went to sleep, hoping tomorrow wouldn't be another rainy mess. Luckily, by the next morning the rain had stopped and the weather turned out amazing. Finally we could dry all our soaked clothes.
National Geographic wildlife
with
with Lodi. He said he will catch it, but it's catastrophe. The wildlife, gypsies, it's amazing. Wow.
After everything finally dried and we packed up, we headed into the endless Swedish forest along the Tromsø trail.
Hi, hi.
Nice.
Good.
To see you, man. Hey.
Vlad.
This what?
Hi, how are you? Good?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I can't hear.
Question is for Aga. How are you?
I'm good. I'm in the gypsy kitchen. Something like like attached to the funny things.
Yeah, you were so good. How many kilometers left for us?
1050. So 2 days.
She said.
2 days.
She said 2 days. Do you think we can manage in 2 days?
2 days.
From here?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
This video, like evidence, we'll see it's 2 days or 3 days. In Sweden, you can stay in free overnight cabins, often in national parks. They are simple shelters with basic beds and stove, first come, first served, and perfect for 1 or 2 nights in nature. Hi, I'm Mark from the Gypsy TV. How do you feel about fishing today?
Like shit. First time I bought this fiskekort, spent 70 kroner. Then I need to catch something.
Oh my god, 70 kroner, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Do you have any special technique for the salmon?
Yeah, drunken master technique.
And the most important, do we eat today sushi?
Yeah, I will make that from sausages.
Okay, thank you for the interview. Good luck.
Thank you. Ha det.
Sleep here. Good morning. How was the night?
Well, it was good.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Nice. So kushali, so daily. We woke up in the morning without any fish in our stomachs, so we had to eat something. I boiled river water for coffee. What do you think?
I will see.
The aera.
There is 2 toilets.
Yeah.
We will sit together.
Yeah. The Swedish TET is usually kind of boring. Long straights, and sometimes the dirt roads are actually smoother than highways back home. So yeah, Vlad and I sometimes got bored. Maybe we both have a little ADHD? We tried to keep it fun though, swapping bikes, joking around. It was hilarious seeing Vlad online, but the good mood didn't last too long. Okay, so we lost some air somewhere. After the simple compressor and the brake cleaner method failed, we almost set fire to a Swedish guy's garage. We took the front wheel off and tired to find the tire repair shop. And I have to drive 22 kilometers with the gypsy caravan, and maybe they can change it or fix it or whatever. If not, then Vladi will live here for a couple of months. Vladi, this is the new house. That's the new house, or you can live there. You have tent, you have everything. Good luck. Okay, so luckily I found a place somewhere in North Sweden. Super deck. They were so nice. They helped us. It was not easy with even with big pressure, but bam, it's ready again.
And
I don't know. 2.5 bar in. After a quick fix and getting the wheel back on, we were back on the road. Not long after, we crossed into Finland. After just 100 kilometers in Finland, the road led us back into Norway once again. By evening, we made it to Alta, and we were so happy to find a really good spot for dinner and to set up our tents.
Tartalini, balini.
Oh, I forgot my microphone. La piedoile.
Тартелони, блядь. Тартелони, ёбаный в рот. Тарталини, блядь.
Potted salad, not tasty. So bad. Never again.
Norsk eller svensk?
Norsk. Cheesy pasta.
There is Wiesel, checking his bike. The light barefoot. Hi. So this is looking very good. I very like it much. Rema tusen tack skal du ha for today. It was a really nice riding. What's the biggest problem?
The smelly shoes. That's the biggest problem. I need to find a place to wash my socks.
My friends.
Fuck, this is... Oh, what fuck. Na, csináltam gyorsan a sátrat, a kis hemokomat. Azért? Na. In the morning, we grabbed some breakfast and a shower at the gas station. And while we were there, we also helped out a fellow rider. After that, we set off towards Nordkapp, but not without making a quick stop for some climbing along the way. That day, 235 kilometers lay ahead of us, the stretch between Alta and Nordkapp. The road we were following, the E69, is actually one of the northernmost highways in the world. It takes you through Arctic landscapes, past herds of reindeer, and even through the famous Nordkapp tunnel that dives under the ocean. Every kilometer brought us closer to the very edge of Europe. I think this was the coldest place I was during the trip. It was 11 degrees in this 6.8 kilometer long tunnel. Finally rolled into Nordkapp, but the big moment, the catharsis, it just didn't happen, and here's why. How you feel on the fake Nordkapp? I feel they fucked me up because this is the fake one.
We saved 50 krone.
First, yes, even at the end of the world, you still have to pay a parking fee. And second, Nordkapp isn't actually the northernmost point of mainland Europe. It's on an island. The true northernmost point is about 70 kilometers east of here at the place called Kinnarodden. But of course, that didn't break our spirits. We were just happy we had made it this far on our bikes. The view was absolutely stunning, and the strange thought hit us. This is the very end of Europe. From here, the only thing north of us is the Arctic itself. And honestly, this was where the trip truly began. About an hour after leaving Nordkapp, we found the perfect spot to camp. It was really looking forward to finally getting a good night's sleep. But of course, that didn't happen. Why? Well, it's kind of hard to sleep when the sun never goes down.
Who needs milk?
Water is ready.
Food porn.
Oh! Gypsy edition.
We're supposed to make it in 3 hours.
Eggs.
No, 3.5.
Oh my god, so tired. Mr. Avocado and blood with the fish.
Mr. Fish.
Oh, I'm so happy for this breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Norwegian Tromsø Trail. Oh my god, amazing view, amazing roads. Wow.
Sorry guys for the dust. Another one, but dust. Yes. No, yes. No, yes. No, yes. Oh my god. Coming. Coming. Holy back. North Norway. What? It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah. Okay. Gas, 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 gas. Yeah. No problem. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Frog?
They're under the bench.
Problem, we will eat.
You gonna eat?
Yeah, shrimps, frog, it doesn't matter.
By evening, we found a beautiful lake spot, with a table, perfect for cooking shrimp instead of camp food. The whole place was calm and stunning, surrounded by still waters and quiet nature. There were boats by the shore too, so of course Vlad couldn't resist trying his luck with fishing again.
Bye. 1 week on the road for us. No. Became casual.
Cocaine. Never ever cookies again.
After a big breakfast, we got back on the road, heading towards Tromsø. With every kilometer, the landscape grew wider. The mountains rose higher, their peaks sharp and snow-covered, reminding us that we were truly deep in Norway now. And just like every day, we made time for a bit of climbing along the way. We decided to take a little cheat day. By this point, all our clothes were dirty and we really needed to do some laundry. Plus, our cameras, power banks and pretty much everything else needed charging. So we ended up spending the night in an old little Norwegian house.
It's dirty.
So after breakfast, we and the bikes were ready to roll. Well, almost. Vlad's KTM greeted the day with a flat front tire again. And of course, all we had was a tiny compressor, so the four of us ended up wrestling the tire like maniacs until somehow it actually worked. Since Vlad hadn't caught a single fish so far, he decided to try his luck with a pigeon instead. From Tromsø, the road carried us to Kwaløya, an island that felt almost otherworldly. The mountains rose like ancient guardians above the fjords, the air so pure and still it felt like time itself had slowed down. Here, in this landscape that seemed pulled from a dream, we stopped once more to climb. Not just the rocks, but deeper into the heart of Norway's wild soul.
God jul. Aha. And we have fireplace.
We arrived at the beautiful spot to camp, and I had this perfect plan for the evening. To leave the camera out all night for a time-lapse, to capture the midnight sun that never sets. But the nature had another plans. By evening the fog rolled into so thick we couldn't even see the fjords anymore. The next morning we had to wake up early to catch the ferry, but I was already full of excitement, because I knew this day will take us through some of the most magical places yet, and finally to the Lofoten island. On the bike, this is where I truly felt free. The weather was perfect, no schedule, no sense of time. I had become one with the motorcycle, simply flowing through the journey.
You will take them out.
On Lofoten, finding a good free camping spot isn't that easy. We kept searching and searching, but by the time it was almost 10 p.m, everyone was exhausted after a long day. So we ended up squeezing into a tiny patch behind some bushes. Not exactly 5-star luxury, but hey, welcome to the hole!
But still, no mosquitoes. Just gypsies. Yes, we are on the way again.
This time, we didn't want to spend another late night searching for a camping spot. So after just 114 kilometers, we decided it was time for cheat day 2. It felt so good to recharge again, and it was needed, because the next 3 days kind of melted into one. So many places, so many stories, and the sun that simply never sets.
Ja, ja. Det är bra. Ice the water! Frisk! Nobody wants to swim today. Why?
So after that, the group split up for a bit. Aga and Wesley went climbing, and Vlad and I set off explore Henningsvær. Does this place look familiar? No? Alright then, how about now? Before lunch, we found this outdoor gym and did a quick workout to keep the blood flowing.
Zeebief? Zeebief.
With full stomachs and heavy legs, we jumped back on the bikes because it was time for a little trip.
Somebody lost the phone. This guy lost the phone. This is from the KTM, of course. We were there, we were there.
Yeah.
Oh my. Yeah. Oh my. Mr. Zeebief. Mr. Hallelujah.
Yes.
Yeah.
After a hike that left me breathless in more ways than one, we crossed to the northern shore of the island. I set up my camera for the midnight sun and finally ticked off a long-held dream from my bucket list: camping by the sea under a sunset that never ends. I only slept for 3 hours, but got endless memories.
Ah, kurwa.
Icke Zeebief.
Ja, Zeebief. Oh, nein.
Go, go, go. You're fucking lucky with the weather. But it's way too hot. We are heading to the Devil's Gate. Okay, so we continue to Fløya. Bam. Nobody goes there. Why? Don't look down. First thing.
After that, we went looking for a place to sleep. We found a campsite, but it was packed, and the reception didn't seem too excited to let us in. But since it was already 11 p.m., we decided to improvise.
So,
Gypsy style.
what happened today? Okay, I need to take my stuff down.
After a quick swim, we hit the road again. Our destination, Reine. In my opinion, the most beautiful part of Lofoten. In Reine, the world felt unreal. Mountains rising from the sea, silent and timeless, like ancient gods. This was the last stop of our journey, but there was still one more thing left to do.
Okay, so after this food, we have to climb there. Amazing. Varsågod.
Our next challenge was Reinebringen, almost 2,000 steps built by Sherpas from Nepal. A climb that really tests your stamina, and maybe wasn't the best idea right after a burger.
It's harder than I thought. Okay, I can't believe it, but I made it in half hour.
breathtaking, isn't it? And believe me, in real life, it's 1,000 times more magical. No camera can truly capture this feeling. It's like stepping into a dream, a fairy tale. The road here wasn't easy and it wasn't short either, but every step was worth it. Funny to think, I had first planned to do this trip alone, but the universe had other plans. I'm grateful we could share this adventure side by side. An unforgettable experience forever.
Hi.
No, siema.
How do you feel about this? Do you like it?
Yeah, many stairs. In general, Lofoten.
Yeah.
Heat wave hit us in Lofoten.
Okay.
2 days ago, I almost got a strike. Strike. How you call it?
Stroke?
Stroke. Yes, overheating. I was climbing and spent on the wall.
Yeah, we are very lucky with the weather. You think?
Or unlucky, depends how you look on it. Stroke. To have a stroke in Lofoten. Ooh, I'm so lucky. I overheat and I have a stroke. I can say everybody, yeah, I'm lucky. I had a stroke on Lofoten. In Lofoten. Yeah, so maybe I was lucky or not.
Thank you for interview. Mr. Schmelik.
No comment. No.
I have to finish this fucking video. Kurva. I just have it.